Welcome to Mesh ColliderKit Pro, advanced transform, snap, pivot, and collider builder tools for Unity.
Open Mesh Kit Pro from the Tools menu. The Settings window appears.
You can activate or deactivate the tool anytime from the Settings panel. Select an object and press C to enter Collider Builder mode. A control panel opens on the screen. Click 3 or 4 vertices to create a face. Press Create Face to add it. When finished, press Bake Final. Your custom mesh collider is ready. Turn on snapping and set the mode to surface. Now when you grab an object, it sticks to floors, walls, and other surfaces. Switch the snap mode to grid. Set your grid size. Move the object with G. It snaps cleanly to the grid. Set snap mode to vertex. Green dots appear on nearby vertices. Click a vertex to snap your object precisely. Enable temporary pivot and press P. Click anywhere to set a custom pivot point. Now rotate and scale around that point. Press Shift plus P to clear the pivot. All hotkeys are fully rebindable. Change grab, rotate, scale, pivot, collider, and camera view keys anytime. Mesh ColliderKit Pro makes scene work faster and easier. Transform, snap, pivot, and build colliders all in one tool. Thank you for watching.